Here's a 50s classic, a unique specialty in classics. 1956 Mercury Montclair two-door hardtop. Persimmon and classic white combination. Great 50s colors. 312 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering also. Take a look at the chrome on the front of these cars. Look at that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look from the front to rear. Those long panels, bright work riding on the white wall radials, Mercury wheel covers. Classic look from the 50s, fender skirts. Matching color combo interior. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Continental package back here. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us. FYI, that tire is folded back so you can get in the trunk. It will lean up further against the vehicle and then lock in. So just FYI, when we're walking around there, we're taking some trunk pictures of it. So you can see that, the interior, of course, engine bay and undersides. Some recent service work done to this also, new rear shocks and rear wheel cylinders. So I'm going to point that out as we take a peek up and down driver's side here. Again, all that bright work on the two-door hardtop. Take a peek at the interior. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out that engine bay. You'll be able to see a picture of the door plate, I guess, if you will, data plate in with the still pictures. Want to do any decoding for yourself. Bench seat. The vinyl appears to be free of anything major as far as wear. There's a little small spot kind of here where the piping is. You can see that. There's a little wear there, but overall, fun one. Get in and drive. Take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Does have a little aftermarket temp gauge down underneath the dash, FYI. I have not had the radio work, wipers work, blower fan worked. Nice sounding car too. Take a look at the dash. Very stock looking, with the exception of that aftermarket gauge under there. Headliner also looks good. Look at the courtesy light in the rear center, if you can see that. Let's check it out. I shut the door. Courtesy light goes off. Pretty cool. Slip around to the back. A little rumble coming out of that 312. Sounds good. Deep throaty exhaust. And up to the front to check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a peek underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator has been added. In power steering, 312 and 56 will be a 12-volt system, FYI. Looking like you'd expect. 56 Mercury to look underneath the hood. Smooth running. 1956 Mercury Montclair two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty Classics. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consultant or sales associate when you call in or email.